AR Workshop is a boutique DIY workshop. We offer classes where customers come in and they make custom home decor items, and we also have a boutique retail section as well. I'd always kind of dreamed of owning my own business, and when this opportunity arose, I was really excited to pursue it. So I decided to open the business in Port Washington on the Main Street because I wanted to be part of the community. The reality of starting my own business took a lot longer than I had expected, and there were a lot of unexpected costs involved and delays. I learned about PSEG Long Island's Main Street Revitalization program through a member of the Business Improvement District, and they told me that there was this program out there that I might be eligible for some assistance in our electric bill.
Our Main Street Revitalization programs are designed to help a small business like AR Workshop to get established. And the way that works is it's helping a business get established in a previously vacant space that was not occupied for at least a year. And we give them a discount on their first year's worth of electric power because we know how challenging that first year is.
We just opened in the beginning of June, and I really appreciated the assistance from the program at PSEG Long Island. I felt that they really treated me as a customer how I try to treat my customers, and they were very helpful with walking me through the process.